Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Sarah Ramadan from Tidra Academy. I'm so delightful today to be with you to speak about digital fundamentals. We'll start with our introduction and then we will have 9 videos. Through those 9 videos, we will cover most of the interesting topics and the knowledge about digital transformation and what we mean by it. So please continue with us to understand more digital fundamentals. The first question that will come for the digital disruption will be what we can get from this. What will be the first word that you will get in mind? What will be the impression that you will have about digital disruption? How this word will be translated into your work and your life. That's what we will cover today. Also, I need to check with you. What are the technologies that are disruptive that you know? So take a second to answer those questions and then let's start our presentation. Whenever we speak about disruptive technology, that will be a very trendy word that we use every day. It can create a new market. It can provide a greater efficiency, quality, and even benefit for the customer and the organization. In a simple word, disruptive technologies are innovations that can replace process, product, well-established technology. They're giving a rise to the new way to operate from the consumer, organization, or even both. You can find this kind of disruptive technologies everywhere now, and it will be highly impacted. That will be like a complete change and replacement of the solution, the old one, traditional, that we are using to have a better features that allow the new possibilities to open up for our life. So that's why today we will focus more to understand how disruptive technology can impact our life and what is the governmental impact of this kind of service. Take an example of the cars and televisions. Those are 2 famous disruptive technologies in history. The car completely changed how we go from one place to another, while TV changed how we entertain ourselves. So if you find yourself in a self or auto-drive car, or the new even potentials, so you need to think about disruptive technology. So let's go more and understand what is disruptive technology and what are the potentials in those technologies. So basically, the potentials are very huge. One of the most significant possibilities behind disruptive technology is opening a new opportunity. Traditional models are not working anymore. They are left behind. And the new tools or technologies are adopted to improve business performance and benefit everyone. That's why it's crucial to keep up to date with disruptive tech, since organizations that fail, they can lose the market share and surpass those that stay abreast. We have lots of examples for disruptive technologies that you need to know, and most of them you will deal with or you have in your daily life. Let's discuss about the video streaming, digital transportation, virtual reality, online lodging, music streaming, even the cross-platform instant messaging app, online encyclopedia, augmented reality, digital currency and cryptocurrency, even the collaborative commerce, 3D printing, online education, something like what we do right now. All those are examples of the disruptive technologies that changed our life a lot. And because and thanks to those technologies, we have a software, seamless, and even more efficient life now. One of the main questions that we need to ask now, what is the potential of disruptive technologies? And how those disruptive technology can transform the government-citizen relationship? We can figure out that governments now are focusing more to be customer-centric, more satisfying, even more fulfilling for the needs and expectations of their customers. They adopting somehow the mindset of the private sector. And that's why they changed a lot how they are operating and how the services are produced and even utilized within their sector. During the coming videos, we try to cover most of the technologies, even the solutions that the governmental sectors are providing now. Some of those are from the western part, some from the eastern part. We can check every one of those from the wearable till the camera surveillance. Those kind of disruptive technologies will change our life from today and now on, and you need to know more about them So please keep for the following video to know more about what are those kind of trends and disruptive technologies.